Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, wash your hands and cleanse the area gently so you don't push bacteria in. Once done, dunk a clean cloth in warm water about 0.5 to 1 inch below scalding and wring it until damp. You place the compress over the pimple and hold light, even pressure. This encourages heat to increase blood flow and drain while preventing skin damage. Make sure to reheat the cloth every 5 minutes so temperature stays therapeutic. Once the compress is in place, you keep the heat steady by rewarming the cloth every 4 to 5 minutes. Consistent temperature helps soften the blocked pore and moves pus toward the surface. You do 2 to 3 cycles of 5 to 10 minutes each, monitoring for increased redness or sharp pain which signals irritation. Make sure to breathe and relax. Avoid squeezing because that spreads bacteria and causes scarring. If fluid begins to express, blot gently. You finish by patting the area dry with a clean towel and applying a light antiseptic or non-comedogenic moisturizer to protect the skin barrier and reduce infection risk. Once done, discard or launder the cloth immediately. Make sure compressing does not exceed about 20 to 30 minutes total in 24 hours to avoid irritation. If the pimple swells dramatically, becomes extremely painful, shows spreading redness, or you get a fever, stop and seek medical care.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.